There are 2 felt stickers in the accessory package. This is the material for making eyes. There is a diagram of eyes in the manual, cut it out first. There is a diagram of eyes like this. After cutting it out, compare it with the eyes of the felt cloth. First, let's make the largest white eyes. Cut along the line. Take out the white felt and turn it over. Hide the 2 eyes cut from the manual on it. Use a pencil or a liner to outline the outer contour. Cut according to the outline. Follow the same method. Cut out the black part. And the 2 white dots as well. The eyes are cut out, and then sew them to the doll's head. Tear off the adhesive backing of the largest white felt. Paste it where you want to place the eyes. About this position. Check it and fix it if the position is okay. The adhesive can be directly pasted on the wool. To make it more solid, we will reinforce it here. Take out the metal needle in the accessory bag. Cut a piece of blue yarn. Separate one of the thin yards and pull it out. Pass through the metal needle. Insert the needle at the center and sew a small fork. Sew the felt and the wool below together. If you just want to make a decoration and don't want to use thread fix, the felt itself has adhesive backing that can also be firmly attached, so this step can be omitted. Remember to tie a knot at the end of the yarn and cut off the excess yarn. Put the needle through the thread below the knot. Tighten the yarn and then make a cross stitch. Sew across. Please note that the cross should not exceed the size of the black felt. We will need to use the black felt to cover the reinforcement yarn later. Tie a knot and cut off yarn. Tear off the adhesive backing of the black felt and stick it on top. Then stick on the white dots. Use the same method for this one. One doll is done.